Welcome to our channel. OEM versus aftermarket auto parts. Pros and cons. What OEM and aftermarket really mean? Let's start simple. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. That's the part your car was born with. Aftermarket means it's made by a different company, not the original maker. The price difference. OEM parts usually cost more. They're branded, guaranteed, and sold through the dealership. Aftermarket, they're generally cheaper, and sometimes way cheaper. Why OEM feels safer. The nice thing with OEM is peace of mind. You know it's the exact fit, exact quality, no surprises. With aftermarket, the quality can vary. Some are amazing, others are cut corners. Availability and ease of buying. Getting OEM often means going to the dealer or waiting for a special order. Aftermarket is everywhere, auto shops, parts stores, online, you'll find lots more options quickly. The warranty side of things. OEM parts usually carry the manufacturer's warranty. That's solid protection. Aftermarket sometimes offers warranties too, but they can be limited or brand specific. Performance possibilities. Here's where aftermarket can shine. Some brands improve on the original. Better brakes, upgraded filters, louder exhausts. Aftermarket can give you performance boosts OEM won't. Fit and compatibility issues. OEM is always a perfect fit. No hassle. Aftermarket might need a little extra checking. Sometimes the part slips right in, sometimes you'll need tweaks. Thinking about resale value. If you ever plan to sell your car, buyers and dealerships tend to like hearing it's been repaired with OEM parts. It makes the car feel more original. Saving money long term. If you're keeping your car for years and want to stretch your budget, aftermarket parts can save serious money. Just make sure you choose reputable brands. Safety considerations. For critical systems like airbags, sensors, or major engine parts, OEM is usually the safer bet. For smaller stuff, mirrors, filters, cosmetic trims, aftermarket works just fine. Thank you for watching.